Hi children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, in the last session we have seen addition of money. Today, based on that addition of money, let us solve some word problems. So let us take the example and try to understand it. Now children, from the word problem, here our first example. Radha gave rupees 56.90 to her daughter and rupees 35.50 to her son. Find the total money given by Radha to her children. So Radha gave rupees 56.90 to her daughter. So we can write as money given to daughter is equal to rupees 56.90. Similar way, money given to son. How much money given to son? Rupees 35.50. And now we have to write total money given to her children. Total money given to children means both the children is equal to, both the numbers you have to write in the form of addition, rupees 56.90 plus rupees 35.50. And once you return, now as you know how to add the numbers, you can directly arrange the properly number down of each, do the addition sign and write amount properly children. And now let us do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14 children. Now 1 will transfer to the rupees side here because after 2 digit we have to give the dot. Then 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2 carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 rupees. So you can write the last sentence as a hence part. So hence total money given to children is equal to, you can write hence total money given to her children is equal to rupees 92.40. Like this you people have to write the hands. So in the word problem, given part, calculation part and the hands part. Understood? Children, let us try with the second example. Harsh had rupees 20.50 with him. Okay. His father gave him rupees 75 as his pocket money. Means already he is having rupees 20.50 and his father gave extra 75 rupees as a pocket money. So how much does he have the money now? Let us do. So first write a solution with the given part. Harsh has money is equal to rupees 20.50. Father gave money. Father gave money. How much father gave money, children? Rupees 75. So dot 00 we have to write in the place of paise, children. Now total money Harsh have now is equal to rupees 20.50 plus rupees 75. So arrange properly in the vertical form, children. And while arranging here you will understand why we have added, why we have written here 00. Because it will help us to understand better way paise difference and rupees difference. So now 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Give the dot as it is. Now again 0 plus 5, 5, and 7 plus 2, 9. And write the rupee symbol as it is. So now we can write in the form of hands. Harsh have now is equal to rupees 95.50. Okay children. Now children, let us take third example. Roger went for shopping and bought a toy for rupees 25.75 and a bat for rupees 40.20. How much money did he spend in all together? So first write cost of toy is equal to rupees 25.75. Cost of bat is equal to rupees 40.20. So total money spent is equal to rupees 25.75 plus rupees 40.20. So now let us arrange vertical form here proper way. Rupees 25.75 plus rupees 40.20. And now we can do the addition. 5 plus 0 children, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. Give the dot as it is. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the symbol here? Rupees. So the total money spent is rupees 65.95. So we have to write hands total money spent is equal to rupees 65.95. Children, in the given part I already told for you, you can write other way also, but the meaning should be similar. And like this you people have to solve and complete your word problems. Let us try children one more example. Now children, let us try this example now. Mona bought a pencil for rupees 15. See here, rupees 15 given. There is nothing given in the paise form. A pen for rupees 25.50 paise. And a notebook for rupees 45.75 paise. Find the total money spent by her. So here 3 different things given and all the 3 things we have to add it. So let us first write the given part. Cost of pencil children. Cost of pencil is equal to rupees 15. So I told you to arrange properly, it will help for you. Please write dot and 00 paise. Paise is not given but you have to write here 00. Then cost of a pen. Cost of a pen children. Rupees 25.50. Then cost of a notebook. Cost of a cost of a notebook is equal to rupees 45.75. And now total money spent. Total money spent. So total how much money spent? Let us see now. Rupees 15.00 plus rupees 25.50 plus rupees 45.75. Now let us arrange in the vertical form children. Rupees 15, write 0.00. Rupees 25.50 and plus rupees 45.75. So if you do the addition, you have 5, 7 plus 5, 12, Give the dot here. 1 will transfer to the rupee side. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, children, 16. Right here 6 and 1 will carry forward to the next number. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So the total money, and right here rupees as it is. So here the total money spent is rupees 86.25. So you can write hands. Total money spent is equal to rupees 86.25. Like this, you people have to solve the word problems, children. Maybe the 2 amount given or 3 amount given. Whatever it is, please write properly given part, do the addition all together and get your correct answer. Okay, children? So I hope you people have understood, children, today's word problems. Please go through the word problems, practice some extra problems from your exercise, and today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new subtopic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care, children.